to another episode of Print Week, eh? Not going to do much this clip. I'm just going to show my new setup. I've moved 3 of my 4 printers to my new location, so I put them up here, and yeah, I hooked everything up. I've got a camera watching all 3 printers. I've got all 3 of them on a smart plug, so I can disconnect them from a distance. And yeah, it's a pretty neat setup. I'm going to do some new videos soon. I'm going to do some upgrades. I'll show you later this clip. But yeah, I only need one more printer to get over here, my big IR3, and then we'll be done. So I'm going to take you in for a closer look, and hope you enjoy it. So, got my FL-Sim here. Still on the same table I had it at the other location. Yeah, I'm gonna do this upgrade soon. I brought a PEI plate with a magnetic sticker. So I'll be installing these on this machine soon. Yeah, I got my Ender 5 over here. And these nice new cabinets for all my tools. So I'm a bit more organized than I was at the other location. Another set of drawers. Got my clamps here for clamping my swords and my long prints. And yeah, that's the new belt for the IR3. And yeah, got my duplicator over here now. And yeah, I'm gonna fidget around with some other fan shrouds to see if we can get a bit better cooling on this machine. And yeah, more tools and stuffs here. Oh, and yeah, I'm gonna try to MacGyver a magnetic plate for my duplicator. I got some spare parts for the Ender, and yeah, I'm gonna see if I can cut this down to size and put on a magnetic plate. So yeah, we've got some good clips coming up, and yeah, when I finally get my last printer here, we'll be done. Now I'll show you this view. I got my camera hanging over there, and yeah, I can follow all my machines from my phone. It actually works pretty nice. So yeah, that's it for now. That's the other side of the room. Printer is probably going there in that corner, and yeah, we'll have to see how filming goes when all printers are here. Yeah. Also, a new thing I like, I got my nice benches here in front of my printer, so I can work on them. And yeah, in this one I keep my rolls of filaments, so I've got a nice storage for all my plastic needs. So yeah, I'm liking the new setup. So yeah, hope you guys like that small introduction to my new print room. If you like what you saw and you want to see the videos coming up about the upgrades, like, subscribe, share, all those nice things. And hey, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.